Typically for Merkel, she took her time to speak up in the early days of the pandemic. Many say too long. But when she did, she became the first international leader to be as blunt as to present her public with some unfiltered, scary facts.
Weiter muss man verstehen, wenn das Virus da ist und noch keine Immunität der Bevölkerung gegenüber diesem Virus vorliegt, keine Impfmöglichkeiten existieren, auch noch keine Therapiemöglichkeiten, dass dann ein hoher Prozentsatz, Experten sagen 60–70% der Bevölkerung infiziert werden.
While experts saw themselves struggling with their leaders in other countries hit by the corona crisis, Angela Merkel was willing to listen.
Und unsere politischen Maßnahmen richten wir an den Empfehlungen dieser Fachleute aus.
Germans didn't need much convincing after seeing the harrowing scenes in hospitals in northern Italy. As the shutdown kicked in, there was a first for Angela Merkel. For the first time in more than 14 years of being German Chancellor, she spontaneously took to national television to plead with Germans to take their own responsibility in this crisis, with no promise of a happy end.
Diese Situation ist ernst und sie ist offen.
Angela Merkel called this a fragile success as many regions started to reopen. But the Chancellor didn't celebrate. Instead, she acted as a kind of matron of her 16 federal state leaders. Some, she felt, were getting ahead of themselves in declaring the worst of the crisis to be over.
Niemand hört es gerne, aber es ist die Wahrheit. Wir leben nicht in der Endphase der Pandemie, sondern immer noch an ihrem Anfang. Wir werden noch lange mit diesem Virus leben müssen.
Germany's empty hospital beds are evidence of Angela Merkel's leadership success. Yet thousands took to the streets across Germany to protest Merkel's corona policy, a loud minority, as the latest polls continue to show more than 80% of Germans backing the restrictions. But corona has also exposed one of her biggest failings in almost 1.5 decades as German Chancellor, Germany's lack of digitalization that have left schools and businesses scrambling in the new social distancing environment.